people will say the sending off changed the game, but I think that we were more than good value for it. We'd done our homework on them. We knew exactly what they were going to do. We knew they'd be direct. The first corner the sending off did come from, I'd seen it in the week. I knew what the signals were, and James Barry's read it, and you know it's paid dividends in the end. But, you know, you've got to take your hats off to them. You know that they kept going. The way that they kept asking us questions. There's moments even straight after the goal when heart's in the mouth, and you're thinking, you know, is this actually going to be our day? But luckily enough, things came good. And you know, in the quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup, it's unbelievable. It really is.
And inspired substitutions by the manager, I'd say.
No, it's nothing to do with me. We knew the subs would make a difference. They were all chomping at the bit. The reaction that I got from them was unbelievable. I was listening to them in the first half, and I said, even at half-time, genuinely in the dressing room, I said to the lads on the bench, they've been your biggest fans first half. I said, so, you know, be honest with us, and they'll come on and win you the game, and that's exactly what's happened.